Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you something that I have been working on for a while here. It's this Learjet here, and what I'm doing here is actually going to make this airplane. And earlier, I had been working on an A350 Airbus. Now, when I started that project, the molds that I 3D printed, I was never really happy with those molds. And when I laid up the wings were a little too heavy as well. And so, um, what I should have known in the beginning when I was working on that particular airplane or jet, that the wings I should have not made those composite. I should have just used foam core wings or built up wings, and that would have worked out much better. Even the stabs in the back as well, they should have been foam core or built up. But as I decided to do another jet where the molds, make the molds, when I did the molds for this particular airplane, the molds were so much better. And I decided to make foam core wings for this Learjet also, and they're going to be balsa sheeted. I may just cover them with fiberglass. I'm not sure at this point just yet. But this is what I've been working on here. And as you can see, I used an airfoil here. I don't remember which number airfoil it was, but it's an actual airfoil. And also, let's turn on the bodies here and turn off the canvases. And this is what it looks like for now. I still have to put the that little, I don't know what it's called, but this portion right up here on here. And that's not very hard to do either. But this here is a very nice looking Learjet too. And so I've been working on this and the mold also. So let's see here now. We have the molds here. Let's turn on the molds, as you can see. All the way back. Now, these are a lot of sections here. The molds, when I actually did printed them, there are not this many, I don't believe. But here are all the molds. And my wings have already been cut out as well, the foam core. And I just have to cut the this out, the horizontal stabs. So I'll turn these molds off. Now my molds are printed already, and I'm very happy with how they turned out. I learned a little more about 3D printing molds, and so they turned out much better. But turn on the canvases here. And turn off the bodies. Now, when I designed this or modeled this in here, this is all done with forms. And then like these here, they may have not, when I used the form, I haven't converted those into a solid body as of yet. But even though I still used a form to model this. So I just have to, before making the molds of these, I just have to turn these into a solid body. And to turn those into a solid body, it's pretty simple. All you do is put a cap on this end I might as well go ahead and do it now. Just put a cap on this end, or you come up here to surface, and you're going to patch this end, and you're going to patch this also. And then once you patch these two, so all this are patched, then you just go to stitch, and you'll select the front, the middle, and the back, and hit OK, and that'll turn it all into a solid body. But yeah, so this is the CAD portion of this jet. And next I'll show you my molds and the wings for this. So be right back. Okay, here are my molds for this Lear jet. Have the back half here. And this is just one side of the jet, not the both sides. And here we have the nose of it. And then we have the main section right here, which is great. Now, this is all printed with PLA, and the finish on here, how I get this mirror type finish, and a couple of my videos, I'll have a link to them in the description here. It tells you how I got this surface to shine like this, and it's very simple to do, and it doesn't even take long. It's just requires you know, some sandpaper and what's it called, automotive primer. You just brush that on thick, and well, first you sand it, then brush on the primer, then you sand some more, and then if you need more primer, you put more primer on it. But if you don't need any more primer, then you just put your color on it, then you polish that out and do what you need to do with that too. But again, this is like I have the finish I like to have on my molds, because the parts come out looking really nice. I like my parts to come out of the mold looking nice. It's just a thing that that I like. Some people don't really care because they're going to paint the mold, paint the part and stuff like that. But I just put in a little extra time because sometimes I like to paint in the mold too. So when you pull the part out, the part is done. So the mold has to be in, you know, a pristine condition, and so I just do that regardless. Now, this Learjet, I decided to do this Learjet because a couple of years ago I started an A350. Now those molds, I never did really like those molds too much. They had some, they were just not right. So, and then when I laid up the wings, the wing that size, it shouldn't have been composite. It should have just been foam core or built up wing. And the wings came out too heavy. Certain things came out heavy, and I didn't really like that. So I decided to do something a little different, and something that I can sort of get parts for that are readily available. But the biggest thing here was just printing the molds and getting them done. And these are they. And also what I have done also, I have the wings, the foam cores, for the wings also. And let's take a look at one. And here's one of the wings here. And a friend of mine cut these out for me on his CNC foam cutter. And these are really nice. And I'm just going to sheet these with, I'm not sure yet, maybe fiberglass, or sheet them with balsa, 16th inch balsa, and go ahead and do those. Now the landing gear, I can readily get landing gear for this, and really don't have to design and try to figure out a whole lot of stuff to do that. And yeah, but this is really nice, and like I said, this was printed with Polymakers, again, just regular PLA. And if you want to learn how to do this, like I said, I'll have the video down in the link that'll show you how to get the finishes on your molds like this. And I think I even got videos on how to prepare your part. Let's say if you have a plug you're making, how to prepare that and turn that into a mold also. But yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you have any questions on anything I've done or you've seen or you want to learn or something, just go ahead and leave them down in the comments. I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site also. And like I said in the past, I want to make this my full-time job, showing you guys how to model airplanes and all this airplane type stuff. And so if you can become a Patreon member or send a super thanks, and yeah, or at the least just hit that subscribe and like button. So yeah, but that's going to do it for this video, and we will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.